Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is tobinmua. If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look. I am inspired by Ariana Grande's newest song, 7 Rings. And this is the look I came up with. And I hope you guys like it. If you want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to be doing a pink eye tutorial, which I know it's going to suck in the end because it is going to stain, but you know, I wanted to do this. I got inspired, so I'm going to be using my 35B palette today, and yeah, I don't have any other palettes that I could suggest. I know this one is discontinued, but this is the only colorful palette I have in my collection. So I'm very sorry if you don't have this palette. If you are able to find a shade similar, then definitely grab that. But let's get on into it. And also, I cleaned my brushes last night because I needed to upload photos for tomorrow. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I've been uploading 3 photos every day. So head over to my Instagram and give that a follow so you won't miss out on any photos, and you can see where things are from and all that stuff. And I also do sometimes, on occasion, Instagram tutorials. This will probably be turned into an Instagram tutorial, but yeah. So let's just jump on in to using this palette. So I think I'm going to go in with this hot pink shade right here, the second from the top on, like, second down, this one. So I'm going to use that shade, and I'm going to be placing that, I think, directly into my crease. So I might not use this brush. I'm going to use a MAC 217 brush, and I'm going to place that in my crease. Oh, my eyes are gonna be stained. So I'm just like taking that and placing that directly in my crease. I'm gonna actually stamp it. And I've been doing a new method of primer for my eyes. And it is, I have been using my foundation actually and letting that set. So I let that set, so then I can just pile on the color. And it's a lot more vibrant that way. So I've been doing that a lot lately, and the reason why I've been doing that because my friend actually does that a lot. And yeah, so I'm gonna take a lighter pink and just help blend that hot pink shade. I'm just really building up that light pink shade just to fully buff this hot pink shade out. I'm going to go back in with my 217 brush with that hot pink shade and just pack on some more shadow. So next I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer, and I'm just going to do, I think, a halo eye, kind of a halo type of look, almost in a way, maybe a full halo eye. As best as I'm going to get it. Okay, so now I'm going to actually gonna go in with a little bit of, this is the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero palette. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Kitty Cat, which, there you go, right here. I'm going to be placing that on my lid. Instead of doing the themed palette, do the Nicole Guerrero and a little bit of some pink glitter. That could be fun. So let's go in with Kitty Cat. I think I might do it on the outer and inner corner of this halo. So, have that on. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this pink glitter. I'm going to place that on the center. So now I'm going to go do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that, ooh, you can see the pink. Like when I turn my head, you can see like the pink glitter. So now I'm gonna go back in. Now that I have the glitter on, I'm gonna go back in with that hot pink shade and just go right up to the crease of, the cut. And go right to the crease of the cut, just above the cut, just to define it a little bit more. Okay, so now we have that super defined. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of, I think, going with a little bit of Amrezy highlighter for the brow bone. I should. All this has is just that light pink shade on it. This highlighter is everything, guys. I have not put it down once since I got it for my birthday. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with foundation, and the foundation I'm using, which is my Wet n Wild foundation. Love this foundation. And I don't think I mentioned what I did with my brows was I used the Brow Bar to Go from Gerard Cosmetics on my brows, and then to set my brows I used the NYX tinted brow gel in black. So I'm just going to go in with the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm just going to place that under the eyes for a little more coverage. Now this is the only part I'm going to set is my under eye. in this video, how does the sound sound? Does that make sense? I want to know because I actually got a new camera accessory recently, and I got a microphone for my camera. Alright, so now that we have that down, I'm going to go in to the bottom lower lash line and going in with a small pencil brush, and I'm going to run that actually first. Do I want to do that first or I'm going to do that last? So I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Morphe M506 brush and I'm going to buff that out. So I'm going to take that light pink shade next to the white in the palette and just help buff this shade down. If you guys like my mirror, it's from the brand Gerard Cosmetics. You guys can check them out below. I have a link and a coupon code. I think it's like 30% off. Just go down there and use coupon code tobinmua to get this cool little handheld mirror, which comes in handy. Really, really nice. Okay, so now that we have that down, I'm going to go in with my NYX Glide On White Eye Pencil. And I'm going to run that on my lower lash line, or my waterline. So for lashes and mascara today, I'm going to be using my Ravishing Lashes in the style Wifey. These are what they look like. They're so nice. Check them out on Instagram. I'll have a link below. And then I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise, which is my favorite mascara. Okay, so now that we have the eyes done, I actually forgot to close off this halo eye, so I did that off camera, as you can see. But now that we are fully done, I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Cucumber setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics. Spritz my face a little bit. No. First I'm going to do bronzer, and I'm going to do Forever bronzer from Gerard Cosmetics, which is, you guys know, my favorite bronzer. I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush to do this. I freaking love this bronzer. Well, you guys know this. You know this about me and how much I love it. So as you guys also know, I didn't set my face. The only part I set was under my eyes because I use the the Makeup Revolution concealer. That was the only thing I set, and it's pretty good so far. Pretty good. So now I'm going to spray my face with the Gerard Cosmetics setting spray in Cucumber. This is a really nice scent. My favorite scent is the peach one, but this is another really good scent. I'm going to go in with two highlighters today. I'm going to go in with my Amrezy highlighter, and then I'm also going to go in with the Nicole Guerrero Kitty Cat highlighter as well. So I'm going to mix those two, a little bit of gold, a little bit of pink. Go in with my smaller brush. So for lips today, I'm going to be going in with Gerard Cosmetics Hydro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Bare It All. So this is the final look of my inspired Ariana Grande 7 Rings. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of the sound in this video, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment below what you guys want to see next, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both those are at tobinmua, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.